This is Jason Abraham, your hero, your role model, the Guns and Roses of fitness, and their ancient stories about Tibetan monks who could radiate chi and melt snow inches away from their body. And right now, the chi of this Greek god is so powerful. I am harnessing this snowstorm to cultivate chi and radiate a field of chi all around me that's keeping me warm. And as it's fucking snowing and the world is freezing, I'm radiating positivity, I'm radiating joy, and radiating energy out through this camera to all of you. So fucking soak it up, lick it up, feel the greatness of the Guns and Roses of fitness in you. Peace.